So if you're painting with a rattle can, unfortunately in the car world, you're going to be branded as a noob for all eternity. Until luckily these guys came out with this. This is Automotive Touch-Up right here, and they have completely changed the aerosol spray can game for automotive applications. If you guys don't know me, I am Rad Performance. Hello, welcome to the channel. I am your guru for automotive restorations that you can do in your driveway / backyard / wherever the heck you can do it. And today we are going to be reviewing two of the greatest spray can products to ever hit the market for automotive. So this is Automotive Touch-Up. You can tell by the yellow with the little eagle looking dude, whatever that is. Basically, these guys have been making paint for probably about a decade, maybe even longer, inside of a spray can application. And this spray can application is quite literally the best thing you have ever seen in terms of results that you can get on a car without shooting it from a conventional HVLP gun right here. And this right here is the clear coat to match. This is 2K Glamour Clear by Spray Max. This product right here is absolutely one of my personal favorites. It has, just like this, a nice wide fan pattern, so that way it's not like Rust-Oleum where you have a very circular spray. This thing is nice and wide, comparable to what you shoot out of a big boy gun whenever you're ready to go there. But for right now, if you're just doing small time repairs, small little things, I'm going to show you what I use this for. It was for mirrors, small items on this here 84Z28, things of that nature that you really don't need a whole air compressor, air gun setup, HVLP. You just want to get it done, you just want to get it right, and obviously you want to get it to match. So these products right here, specifically this, because this is the actual color coat by Automotive Touch-Up. Once again, I will have links in the description. There should be one popping up on the screen by now. But Automotive Touch-Up does an exceptional job of matching the paint to your car. I can show you guys on another car. Let me know if you want to see it in the comments below. I have painted a car with this and the 2K Clear. Quite literally 10 years ago, this car was a daily sitting out in the sun, and only now is it just starting to finally show its age after a decade. For 10 years, this poorly prepped by my 16-year-old self shot inside of my driveway was perfect. Perfect paint match, perfect gloss, perfect sheen. Everything about it was very professional, out of quite literally some rattle cans by a teenager, and I could not have been happier with it. And it lasted the better portion of a decade. It still looks good. It still is quite durable. So you really can't get better than 10 years of show car quality or showroom quality, you know, whatever quality you're going for. But basically, it looks right, it's done right, and it lasts the test of time with these two products right here. So without further ado, let me dive right into this video. Please, before we get started, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell for notifications. We are posting a video every single week to this channel regarding all the different projects. We got the American projects, we got the German projects, we got the paint projects, auto body, we got the Skylark, we got this, we got the Cadillac, we got the Corvettes, so much coming on them. So please make sure to follow along, subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, comment what you guys want to see more of, and without further ado, let's get into it. So just to give you guys a quick sneak peek, this right here is the mirror that was painted inside the video that you're going to see. Obviously. Oh yes, the second coat always makes it look nice. Beautiful. Only with black. The clear will make it thin. Get a amount of product on that edge. Pretty soon it's not going to spray right because it's at the bottom of the can.
it.
So that's it for that can. Then guys, always make sure you spray it upside down and dry it out. So you'll be good to go for the next round. Oh yeah, the wet sand does look pretty good.
Underneath it was really bad, but I think this is a lot better than what it was, so if it stays, it stays.
So you did a 600 wet sand or an 8?
I had to go to 6 and then I did 8.
Yeah, looks like a nice.
Like I said, I just did
That is what it's all about.
what do you call pack cloth, because I didn't want it to get all any additives to it.
Yeah,
Because it'll up.
absolutely.
I hope it's good. But I'll tell you, the corner looks a lot better now.
Oh yes, it does. Looks a lot better than what it was.
I think we're going to get another can of 19U.
Oh wait.
Because we got
I think
it.
I was supposed to grab you another one already.
And because let's make sure that there's enough black. Well, maybe not. I mean, if it's black, it's fine. Because once the clear goes over,
Yeah.
that's the durability.
Yeah.
It's not the color. Man, this thing is like an old man farting. I guess I should have sanded it, but you know what? Nobody's going to look at this. It's on top.
No.
So let's do that. But I definitely want to paint that another black, so.
Yeah, but at least hopefully now that's the last time we use that can.
Is it?
The third coat will be the good stuff.
We'll get another can just so I could do another black. This is the third coat, but I had to sand it.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, this is the third coat.
this is the third.
So yeah, we'll go one more.
Yeah.
And then we'll do 2 cans.
I got a speckle in it. It's dirty. What are you going to do? I want that edge like that. And I like it in the mirror camera too. In it.
No, I
Because
can
you're
see.
gonna
Yeah,
see
you got
it,
it perfect. Yeah, you know.
You won't see any of this shit.
Okie dokie.
I think we'll leave it this
Yeah, that is a lot better than what it looked like
Let's
before.
let it dry. Or here, let's just start on the edges. Let's go and fix. Stand back though, because I got. That was the tack for. That's what it was. This is gonna be funny. This is gonna be the better meal. I can't see. I didn't bring my tool.
I think it's ready.
You want to get inside, too. Yep, I think we're good.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything?